Hi there, in this video we're going to learn how to create thumbnails for your YouTube videos in an easy, fast and free way. So to start with, you can look at my channel here. You can be able to see some graphics which grab your attention. The same thing to this channel, you can be able to see all these graphics which enables you to see what the video is all about, and it actually grabs your attention. YouTube thumbnails are an incredibly and important element when performing optimization of your videos, and attractive thumbnails will help grab the attention of potential viewers, and this will lead to clicks and views. So before we proceed, welcome, and please subscribe to our channel and make sure that you have clicked on the links that are put in the description, which lead to the resources that are going to enable you to perform this task that we are doing today. Welcome once again. So today we are going to use a site called Canva.com. It's an online service which will help you create these thumbnails in an easy way, and they are actually free of charge. So let's see how we can do that. So we go to Canva.com. So this is the landing page for Canva.com, and you'll click on design. We are going to use a custom size, so select custom size. The custom dimensions that we're using today is 1920 by 1080, and then you click on create new design. So that is our design page. That's where we are going to create our thumbnail from. So the first thing that we need to do is to upload a picture which is relevant to what we are doing. So in this case, let's say we have a video here, and what we are going to do is that we snap a point of our video where we are able to grab the attention of the person that is viewing. So we are going to use the snipping tool to capture, let's say, this point. So we want to create a picture because we are going to do a graphic. So we want to create a picture for this particular position. So you just grab your picture like that, and then you save it. As a thumbnail picture. Like that. So it's important that you grab it from your video because it has to be relevant with your video, but still you can put any picture. You can download a picture related to what you're presenting, but the most important thing is that you have to capture or provide a picture that is relevant to what the video is all about. So having done that, we are going to upload this image. So you can upload the image, or you can just drag your image. I had saved it here. This is my picture, so I'll just drag and drop it here like that. It has been uploaded, and then from the upload media panel, you drag the picture to the thumbnail design panel like that, and then you make sure that it has fit the entire screen. It's by dragging the sides like that, so it actually also forms our background. And then after that, we are going to add some elements. I want to add a rectangle that just with this. So I want to put it here and adjust it like that. You can still rotate it like this, and you can also move it like this, adjust it like this. And then on top of it, we are going to add text. So there are various texts that you have here, but you're going to add an heading which will capture the attention of the person who is browsing on YouTube. So you just bring it here, and also adjust it to fit like that, and then you edit the text. You can remove this and type how to create that. You adjust it so that it's on top of this. You can even increase this. How to create thumbnails like that. So having done that, you can increase the font. It's 90, so let's put it at 104. Then you can increase the background. You can move it like that. And you can put the color that you wish to have. In this case, let us use the screaming red because we want to capture attention. You can adjust the transparency of your element by clicking here under transparency, so you can adjust it, yeah, just like that. And then you can select these two and lock them, that, so that you can move them as a unit. You can this icon is for deleting that element that is selected. This one is to copy. If you want to copy the style, you want to animate, you want to flip, if you want to crop, you want to adjust, so you can play around with these things to see how they work. So because practice is what makes perfect. And you are done. So we have a thumbnail, and then you'll save as. And this picture, let us give it a JPEG type of format, and then you click on download. Yeah, so the picture is downloaded here. It usually goes to your downloads. So there is your picture. So that is the end of this tutorial, and once again, please, if you have not subscribed, kindly support my work by subscribing, and also remember to click on the links that I've put in the description to use the resources I've used in this tutorial. Thank you very much, and bye.